Chevrolet also brings you the Chevy Show this weekend on another network. My Three Sons has been brought to you by Chevrolet in behalf of your local authorized Chevrolet dealer, who invite you to try the 61 Chevy's Jet Smooth Ride and the new Chevy Corvair.
Cargo fresh and clean for a new Corvair 95 truck. This is the Corvan. The engine's in the rear, the driver up front. In between, 191 cubic feet of load space. And as standard equipment, the Corvan has double doors, right side and rear. And here's number 2, the ramp side, with a fold-down side ramp. No lifting, sliding, or climbing up and down. Heavy loads roll right in. Like all Corvair 95 trucks, it's tough. Yet it steers and handles with fingertip ease. Hey, cured, sweet-smelling 60-pound bales. And this rugged loadside model by Chevrolet can get under nearly a ton of it. A big, sturdy pickup box and a carrying capacity of 1,900 pounds. The load side does its share of chores around this farm, and then some. Independent coil suspension at all 4 wheels to handle any cargo. Corvan by Chevrolet. Big cargo space, low operating costs. The ramp side. The load side. All part of the Chevrolet fleet of 189 trucks for 61.
The smoothest thing in flight. A jet plane rides above the clouds, smoothly, quietly. And you have a jet smooth ride.
Jet smooth ride.
In a 61 Chevrolet. Hills and valleys slide by as Chevy brings jet smooth travel down to earth with
Jet smooth ride.
You relax, almost hate to arrive because traveling's so much fun on
Jet smooth ride.
You're rolling along with a full coil spring at every wheel. And the 61 Chevy stays soft as a sofa, even on rough roads. Ask your Chevrolet dealer about
Jet smooth ride.
Then drive a Chevy once around the block and discover the comfort of Chevrolet's remarkable
Jet smooth ride.
My Three Sons. Starring Fred MacMurray. And as Bub, William Frawley. Chevrolet, in behalf of your local authorized Chevrolet dealer, who offers one-stop shopping, a choice of 30 different Chevys and Corvairs, brings you My Three Sons.